If you are a website owner, you must need to know about the importance of article submission. With article submission, one can gain traffic on their websites. It is an effective off-page search engine optimization (SEO) technique. The objective behind submitting an article is to run a campaign without having to pay for techniques like Google AdWords or other paid advertisements. What is article submission? Article submission is the process of publishing your article on another website to generate high-quality backlinks to your website or blog. Article submissions are a type of off-page SEO technique that can help improve your website's ranking position in the search engine results pages. So, another important aspect of article submission is the articles themselves can rank in the search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing for their target keywords. This helps improve your business's brand awareness, control more real estate in the search engine, and get more website traffic from users who are interested in your products and services. Article submission, using the right keywords, is one of the most effective off-page search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to increase brand and personality awareness. Content is the heart of marketing today for article submission sites. Without strong content, it is impossible to draw people's attention to article submission websites no matter what the product is. The same thing applies to your online business and even your blog. There are many websites on the internet that exclusively publish articles. Usually, the articles are listed under different categories. These websites accept good original articles from different websites and provide links back to these related websites. This online technique of attracting visitors to our website by submitting good articles related to our business to such article websites will help us to increase our personal or business credibility. Here is the 200+ free article submission sites list you can try from your side. Link in the description. How to submit an article. First, open any website. Then type here the title. Here enter your name. Then write here about the article. After that, select your targeted keyword that you would like to rank on Google. Then under the keyword, put your website or product's URL. Then click on Publish. So, no more today. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you so much.